Alright guys, welcome to our channel here. So quick update with our tools. Okay, so yeah, this is my tools here, and yep, the process here, guys, in this tool, how to use it, right? Okay, so for our intraday, so I have here the intraday candle status here. Okay, that one. So you can monitor already without switching the different time frame. So you can also have this detector of the a candle status now. So daily, H4, H1, M30, M15, and M5. All right. So this one. So yeah, so hindi ka na mahirapan na mag-switch back to ano. So if you can see, M5 is bearish. Okay, so as you can see, the candle showing bearish already on this part. Okay, there. Alright. And of course, if it's bearish, possible the momentum of market going down. So that is based on 5 minutes. And if you're gonna see here a 1 hour time frame, so it's a solid green candle, right? So in that case, hindi po tayo mag-trigger ng entry dyan. Okay? So pag kanyang uh, mga setup, no? So ang gagawin lang natin dito is maghahanap tayo ng perfect setup, guys, no? So far naman sa ating indicator, so ito naman yung candlestick price action, no? So there's a buy and sell. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna see this arrow right there. So there's a buy. Okay, so as you can see, only buy is showing on this move, right? So there's no sell, as you can see. So wala pong sell dyan. So puro buy lang yung opportunity dyan. Alright, and then you can see that one. So buy signal, and then after that buy signal again, and then buy signal. So that means the bias that we have is all buy, and this is a confirmation. So there's a exponential moving average, so above 20, so that is pick niya yung 20, and then 50, and we have here 50 and the 100, right? So yeah, so dapat may confluence din tayo, and then I created this volume meter as well, just to make sure that there's a additional confirmation before doing or trading, right? So as you can see here, okay, and then there's a area of interest as well, as you can see, this one. So this is our area of interest there. Right, so this will project the market movement within the 50 period, no, or 50 candles. So if you can count this one, so it's a total of 50, then it will set an average, or where is this low and where is the possible high. Okay, so there. And then for our additional uh, indicator is where we can also uh, check with this one, right? So this is an automated. So as you can see at 10, okay, okay, you see, so third 3,393. So dito pa lang nagpapay na tayo, guys, no? 3,000. So dito siya nag-suggest to buy. And then if you follow that opportunity on buying, guys, no? So you already have this 7,000. If you're trading 0.3, right? So 7,000 plus, okay, gain, right? And as you can see, there's a movement here, that there's a volume, okay, on this part. So there's a possible uh, buying opportunity, buying pressure here. All right, and then look at what happened. So it all move up. All right, and if you're gonna see this, right? So there's a buy here, all right? This arrow, okay, there's a buy based on our candlestick price action, and then a buy again. So buy again, then there's a sell here, but of course we have to reject that signal because the trend is a solid buying opportunity. And look at that one. So after this short sell, there's no volume here, so it is not supported with volume. Okay, as you can see there, so it's not supported with the volume. Okay, if this is a little bit bigger candle and the volume is higher from the previous one, so possible it can turn down the price going here. Okay, so if ever, but in this case it doesn't have that possibility or strength. And then look at the next candle here. So this one is a solid with a fractal here. Okay, so then there's um, a buy signal again showing. Okay, so look at that one. So if you buy that opportunity or ride along that strategy, then boom, you get the 2000, right? And then look at that one. So there's this signal here, a sell. Okay, or this one. Okay, so this is very bearish, no? So as you can see how many candles are being engulfed with this candle here. And if you sell here, you have the opportunity as well to get the 800 over this if you're trading like 0.30, right? Lots. And then look at that, there's a fractal and there's a signal again. Okay, another opportunity to buy. Okay, after this move or correction, so it shows a positive one, right? And then boom, it goes up. Okay, and then next that one, there you go, and it drop. So just to retest this area, and then boom, it's showing again this sign here for this fractal. Okay, and then confirmation, there you go, there's a retest, a small retest, and then there's a sign here. Okay, and then boom, showing good, right? So this is how we use the tools that I have here, right? So we can see, there you go, right? So for this one, so we normally set the fractal here. So this is my own tools. No? So the fractal I set is 3 to avoid uh, uh, any like choppy choppy signal that will be created um, under this fractal indicator. All right, and then we have here. Okay, I created this quick trading panel. So how does it work? So you can just run this. This is a bot. Okay, so this will automate the trading strategy, right? So you can put this zero point 0.2, for example, by default. That's zero point 0.2. And then you can set the default stop loss is 300, take profit is 600, and then trailing trigger 200, and then 120 lock pips. Okay. So what do you mean lock pips, guys? If you're gonna have the trade, so once the the gain, okay, the stop loss is a fixed one, right? So it will not move. And then what happen if you gain 120? So automatically, if your gain reach to the 200 first, and then after that there will be a lock pips of 120. All right. So it's about to protect your money, okay, your gain. So whatever happened in the market when they suddenly drop, if you're buying, and then you can already gain. If not, if you're in selling, so if the market goes suddenly goes against your direction, so it will lock in your profit that you get the positive, you know, instead of losing. All right. So that's the good thing. As long as you enable the trailing. Okay, if you on off that one, so then that will not work. All right, so there you go. So this is an opportunity if you're trading in 1 hour here. So this is the opportunity to trade, but it's a high risk already. So you can lose the 69 here if you're trading 0.30. So in order for you to analyze this, okay, this candle move, all right. So you have to drop on the lower time frame. Okay, for example, this one, right? So if you're gonna see 1 hour, there you go. So let's proceed with 10 minutes here. All right, as you can see, there's a drop. There's a massive drop here, and there's no confirmation with our fractal. So there's no fractal here showing that it's already detecting as a high or higher high now. So far, it's only showing here the lower low, and then boom drop just to retest on this area, and then go back to this price here. And if you're really trading that part, then you can get the 368. So just quick and easy. And in order for you to check this in a lower time frame so that you can get the opportunity to trade in the lower time frame instead of uh, entering the position here, so you can also do this one, the 5 minutes, right? So that's why there's a multiple time frame that should you know check with for additional conversion. As you can see, it dropped. So if you trade this, right, with a fractal and then confirmation of our sell opportunity, then you sell this one, so you can get the 370. Then after that, there's a fractal showing, so you should be able to close the trade here, and then there you go. And then there's a candle showing the positive side here, so there's no wick already on this area, so you can buy this opening. So as you can see, you can get the 570, right, within that particular time frame, right? So there you go. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and you can purchase these tools that we have in our Ctrader store, guys. All right, thank you and have a great day.